Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Did you know that anyone can see your entire friend list on Facebook by default? That's a high privacy risk. In this super quick guide, I will show you exactly how to secretly hide your friend list in your Facebook. So let's get started. So friends, first of all, open Facebook application from your mobile. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy section. And then tap on the Settings menu. Now scroll down and select Privacy Checkup section and tap on it. Then tap on the Who can see what you share section. Then tap on the Continue button. Now scroll down and select Who can see your friend list section and tap on it. Now select and tap on the Only Me section and tap on the circle button section right side. And finally tap on the Save button. That's it, and it's successfully done. Now your friend list is completely hidden from everyone except you. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.